Hey, what's up, folks? How's it going? This is Avijit here, and welcome to Devops Challenge Hub. And today's interview question is: what is pod disruption budget, and why do we need a pod disruption budget if the deployment and replicas ensure availability? Okay, and stay till the end. I will show you demo also, demo example, so that your concept will be clear. And at the end, we have some interesting quizzes. So, what is pod disruption budget? Pod disruption budget in Kubernetes, it's a policy. It's a policy that ensures a minimum number of pods remain available during voluntary disruption, such as node maintenance, like for example, upgrade scaling down nodes, or pod eviction due to cluster autoscaling or administrative action. So under this scenario, it will try to protect, right? You can ensure that the minimum number of pods remain available. Voluntary disruptions like node maintenance and pod eviction. So how does a PDB work? It does not prevent all eviction, but ensures that at least specified number of pods remain running. So we can define minimum available and maximum available. We'll see the example. Okay. Let's see the example now. So we'll create a deployment with multiple replicas. Here I have a deployment with multiple replicas. Deployment. Okay. Engineers deployment with multiple replicas, 3 replicas running 3 pods. And container name is Nginx, image is Nginx. Okay. kubectl apply -f Nginx deployment. So I'm deploying the pod. Okay, kubectl get pod. Okay. So container is creating, pending container is creating. So it's going on. Nginx deployment 54C98, 54C 5W So now next step is create a pod disruption budget. This PDB ensures at least 2 pods remain running during the voluntary disruption. So let's look at the file nginx pdb.yml, and here kind is pod disruption budget. Kind is pod disruption budget minimum available. Yeah. So minimum available is 2, and at least 2 pods must be run. And we'll also apply this. Kubectl apply -f kubectl apply -f nginx pdb yml. For disruption budget policy, nginx pdb got created. Right? For disruption budget policy plus nginx pdb got created. Now I can get pods, see what is the situation. Okay, all three are running, and kubectl get pdb. So nginx pdb minimum available 2, maximum not available allowed disruption 1. So total 3 replicas are running. As per the policy, minimum is 2, so allowed disruption is 1. Right? Now if I do kubectl delete pod, let's say delete the last one, SP9K4. So we already know that deployment will restart, right? created the pod. Now, if I run get pods again, QCT will get pods. See, this third one is running 5W is 7D KQ. 5W KQ, they're there. I deleted SP1 and instead of SP, new one came up 7DB because, yeah, you can see this time here, age. They started 3 minutes ago, 3 minutes ago. This just started now. So this guy got killed, means deleted. This pod got deleted. Another one got created, right? So now question will be, why do we need a pod disruption budget if deployment and replicas ensure availability? Here you can see that deployment and replicas ensure availability. I can delete maybe all of them. Like let's do delete two of them. POD, right? It is not going to stop me. This guy also. Yeah, got deleted. Both got deleted, right? But ideally, it should be only one should be allowed. So deployment and replica sets automatically recreate pod if they are deleted. However, PDB serves a different purpose. It controls how many pods can be disrupted at the same time during voluntary disruption. So using the pod delete, you can delete it, right? But PDB is for voluntary disruption. So if there because of cluster maintenance, node drain, OS updates, scaling down, all this happens, that time if it will try to maintain that minimum number during eviction time. Pod eviction during auto scaling, node preemption in cloud environment. So these are the conditions under which it is trying to do that. Otherwise, our replicas and deployment is doing that job, right? So PDB prevents Kubernetes from removing too many pods at once. PDB only applies to voluntary disruption. So it applies only to voluntary disruption. Involuntary disruptions are not prevented by PDB. Like for example, node failure also not prevented by PDB. So let's have a look at the quiz today. Let's go to the quiz section. So what is the main purpose of a pod disruption budget? To prevent pods from restarting, to ensure a minimum number of pods remain available during voluntary disruption, to limit number of pods that can run in namespace, to prevent never not. So answer is B, to ensure minimum number of pods remain available during voluntary disruption. Next question is, which of the following is considered voluntary disruption that PTB protect against? Node crashes, no, it is not the one. Kubernetes cluster upgrade, out of memory kills, hardware failure. This is also not the right one. This is not Kubernetes cluster upgrade is the right one. So PDB doesn't protect against this node crash, out of memory, hardware failure. It only protects against voluntary disruption, that is Kubernetes cluster upgrade. Okay. So that's it for today. Hope you like this video. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also follow my LinkedIn page where I Devops Challenger, where I post quizzes and you can participate in the contest. You can also follow my WhatsApp channel where I share the link daily. Okay. So thank you for watching this video and see you again in the next video.